In today's video, I am going to talk about something very interesting, and it is how to start a small business that can help you to become a digital nomad. And I just want to talk about a few tips because I see so many people who write me about this, how to do it, and Telegram and my other channels. And I remembered when I started, I know you maybe already know the story. I started it because of my Lyme disease, because I couldn't walk, couldn't do anything. I was in pain for almost 2 whole years. And so it was, and basically with $30, because I really had nothing when I started. So I know from a personal standpoint that it is absolutely doable to become a digital nomad without a big funding or anything like that. And also that in any situation, like in almost any situation, you can work towards it. But I have a few tips to help you because it is not easy. And so many people are trying to become digital nomads that it is harder and harder in a sense. But it was never easy. So the first thing is that I see, and it is very common, that many people are trying to become digital nomads. Like they asking in groups how to become a digital nomad, what should I do? Like it is an issue because in my opinion, if you want to become a digital nomad, and this is my first tip, you really have to do what you love to do, what you are passionate about. If you are not, and I'm very serious, if you are not passionate about it, if you just do it because you want to become a digital nomad, in my opinion and based on my experiences, you are going to fail miserably. And this is why many people, like, they don't even believe in it anymore, like that it is possible to become a digital nomad because it seems so hard. It is because you just found something that people said you should do it to become a digital nomad, but it is not your passion. And in my opinion, find your passion and work on it and go with it. And if you find your passion and what you are talented in, then you are going to have some serious customer base because you do something different. And my second tip is that research the market based on niches, because there are so many online workers now and so many workers now from countries that are doing the work you want to do but for much cheaper, that it is insanely hard. And I see it in my field as well, in coding. Like if you just do some generic coding, it is very hard to find work, especially work that is going to sustain you and you are going to be able to travel with. So my really my 100% honest tip is to find a niche in your specific area and work on it, because that is going to be a way to be a professional that even companies are looking for, because you are that good in that specific field. And I think it was a case many times in human history, but now in this online world it is extremely important. The third tip is that you should create a story, a personal brand. And of course, for example, now I am doing this particular channel or with my other channels, and it helped me tremendously over the years, because when you are doing a personal brand, a story, a true story, not just a story, a personal brand, people see that you are genuine in your work and people are going to hire you much easier. And I am telling this to so many people who are starting, that just start to build up yourself, to talk about yourself. Of course, first you have to be able to do something that others are not able to do, and then talk about all the things that you did to achieve this level of expertise, and showcase your results, your portfolio. Because in this world you have YouTube, you have so many platforms where you can spread your message and knowledge. And the personal brand one is, in my opinion, very important. And my last tip in this video is to find people who are also digital nomads, who are also flexible, who also have these experiences, and try to do collaborations, because like it is so important to connect with other professionals in this field, because you, as I said, the best professionals and who are profitable and successful in this whole thing, this digital nomad field, people who are doing niches. And if you connect with people who are the best in their niches and you know, kind of make friends and business connections with them, then when you need anything for your business, you can connect with them and be able to help each other, do business with each other, hire each other, you know, for some specific tasks. And this is so important, and it helped me very much over the years. I hope this little video was interesting for you. It was an experimental video because it is the first one about doing business and these kind of tips on my channel. If you liked it, if you enjoyed it, let me know in the comments. Like, really let me know, because then I know if I should make more of these videos, or I should make more like detailed videos about this, showing actual things that you can do, or talk about niches and how to find your talent, what you are passionate about. If you are interested in those things, just let me know in the comments. Safe travels.